Got a 2001 Ford Mustang 3.8 V6, and it's got some shape to it. Had a check engine light, but I changed out the ERG valve and sensor, auto control valve. Didn't do anything other than reset the light because it'll come back on. Then the exhaust. This is where I'm not sure what's going on because it sounds like a butt. Any ideas? Drop me a line, let me know. Thanks.